students, welcome back. Let us take a look at the last question of exercise 13.3 of chapter 13. The dimensions of a cone are as follows. The height, which is obviously the perpendicular height because it's not mentioned slant height, of this cone is 1 meter and base diameter D is 40 centimeters. So see, there's a variation in the units. Here you have meters and here you have centimeters. Now 50 hollow cones are used to barricade a bus stop. The outer side of each cone has to be painted, which means the curved surface area of each of the 50 cones need to be painted. We've been explicitly given the values of pi as 3.14 and the square root of 1.04 as 1.02. So don't worry why this value has been given. Maybe we are going to get this value, this square root value in while solving the sum, which is why you've already been given so that you do not spend a lot of time on finding the solution of this. So we need to find out the cost of painting all the cones at the rate of rupees 12 per meter square. So what we are going to do is we are first going to convert, see everything is in meters, meter square, meters. So we need to convert this value of diameter into meters. Now using the diameter we will find the radius. Once you have the radius and this height, you can find the length of the slope. So once you find the length of the slope, we will find the curved surface area of one cone and multiply it with 50 to find the curved surface area of 50 such cones, and then we are going to multiply that value with 12 in order to find the total cost associated with painting the 50 cones. That is the curved surface area of 50 cones. So let's get started. I'll say radius is equal to diameter divided by 2, which is 40 divided by 2, which is 20 centimeters, which is equal to 20 upon 100 meters. Why 20 upon 100? Because 1 meter is 100 centimeters. Therefore, 20 centimeters will be 20 upon 100 meters. Therefore, radius is equal to, now if you cancel this, what do you get? 2 upon 10, which is 0.2 meters. Now we have the radius and we have the height. Let's go ahead and find the length. So now L is going to be under root of h square plus r square, which is equal to, h is what? 1 square plus 0.2 the whole square. So 2 2s are 4 and how many decimal places? 2 decimal places, because it would be 0.2 into 0.2. So let's take a look. This would be 1 plus 0.04. 1 plus 0.04 is what? 1.04. So see now over here, we've already been given the value. So we will directly take this value as 1.02 and I'll just say given. So this is the length of the slanting slope of your cone. Now we can easily go ahead and find the curved surface area of one cone. So curved surface area of one cone is equal to pi RL, which is 3.14, because we've been explicitly given the value of pi, into radius, which is 0.2, into length, which is 1.02. So let us leave this value as of now just as it is, because we have a lot of calculations pending. Maybe we will cancel out. If you have gone through the previous videos, I told you when you get such huge numbers that are difficult to multiply and there's pending calculation towards the end, just leave it for the moment and later on we can always go ahead and calculate towards the end. So this is the curved surface area of one cone. Therefore, and I will just write meter square. Therefore, curved surface area of 50 cones is going to be, you're going to multiply this entire term with 50. 50 into 3.14 into 0.2 into 1.02 meter square. Right? So now this is the curved surface area of 50 cones. We need to find the cost. So let's just write it a little more neatly. So I'll say 50 into 314 upon 100 into 2 upon 10 into 102 upon 100 meters square. Now I'll say cost in rupees and area in meters square. So the cost is rupees 12 for how many meters square? For 1 meter square. Therefore, let's say the cost is X for the area that we need to find for 50 cones. So we'll put this entire term in one bracket. So I'll say 50 into 314 upon 100 into 2 upon 10 into 102 upon 100. So let's cross multiply now. This is one entire term. Okay, so when you cross multiply, you get x into 1, which is x is equal to 12 into this entire bracket. So 12 into 50 into 314 upon 100 into 2 upon 10 into 102 upon 100. So let's see what all can cancel. Apparently only these two zeros. So we are left with no choice but multiplying everything. So let's multiply. First of all, 5 2s are 10, right? So 12 into 10 into 314 into 102 upon 100 into 100. So what we did is that we multiplied these two terms. 5 2s are 10. Now this 10 will strike out with this one. Now we can just multiply the remaining. So let's keep 12 as it is for now, and what I will do is I will multiply 314 into 102. So 314 into 102 can be written as 314 into 100 plus 2, which is 12 into 31400 plus 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So 31400 plus 628 will give you 12 into 8 2 0 2 3 32028. Now multiplying this entire term with 12 can be written as 32028 into 10 plus 2. And just remember that this entire term is upon 100, right? So we have 100 in the denominator. So we are going to solve this now. So 32028 into 10 will give you 320280 plus 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4 5, 2 0s are 0, 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. So let's just write this more neatly. 65046. Let's compare. 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4 5, 2 0s are 0, 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. This entire thing is upon 100. Now let's just add these terms. So where do we do the addition? We have space here, so we'll just temporarily do the addition over here. 320280 plus 65056. 64056. This is 6. 8 plus 5 is 13. 3 4 8 3. So we get 384,336. 384,336 divided by 100. So now we need to get rid of the two zeros in the denominator. So we shift left in the denominator by, sorry, this is 1000 because 100 into 10. So we need to get rid of these three zeros in the denominator. That's why we will shift towards the right by towards the left by 3 decimal places. Therefore, finally our answer would be 384.336. Now this is the cost. So I'll say rupees. I'm sorry. So if you want, you can even round this up to 2 decimal places. Now 6 is greater than 5. Therefore, you're just going to, if you want to round it up, you can just add 1 to this 3. So your answer will be 384.34. Right? So let's write down, since we do not have sufficient place on the board, I'm just going to write the answer over here. 384.34 rupees. So here is the solution. Please take a look. Thank you for watching this video.
Hope this video increased your knowledge. For more such videos and a completely free educational content, log on to www.epathshala.org or visit our ePathshala YouTube channel. We have each and every question solved for maths, physics, chemistry and biology. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends, like our Facebook page and follow our Twitter handle for regular updates and important educational tips, and also win ePathshala goodies. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe this channel and enjoy the freedom of education.